Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing household appliances as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into the Frigidaire dishwasher error code UO, specifically for 2025 models. If your dishwasher is displaying this pesky code, you're not alone. It happens more often than you think, and the good news is, you might be able to resolve it without calling in the pros. Let's break it down step by step so you can get your dishes sparkling clean again in no time. First things first, what exactly is error code UO? In Frigidaire dishwashers, UO typically stands for overfill or unbalanced operation. This means the machine has detected too much water in the tub, which could be due to a faulty sensor, a clogged drain, or even a simple issue like a kinked hose. It's the dishwasher's way of saying, hey, something's not right here. Common causes include blockages in the drain hose, problems with the water inlet valve, or a stuck float switch that monitors water levels. Now, let's get to the fun part, troubleshooting. Start by unplugging your dishwasher from the wall and leaving it off for at least 5 minutes. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches. Once that's done, check the drain hose for any bends, kinks, or clogs. Straighten it out if needed and ensure it's securely connected to both the dishwasher and the sink drain. Next, inspect the float switch inside the dishwasher tub. It's usually a small plastic piece that floats up and down. Make sure it's not jammed or covered in debris. While you're in there, give the filters a good clean. Gunk buildup is a common culprit. If your model has a self-clean cycle, run that after resetting. If these steps don't do the trick, it might be time to look at the water inlet valve or call a professional technician, especially if you're dealing with electrical components. Always prioritize safety. Never work on a wet or powered-up appliance. There you have it. By following these tips, you should be able to banish that UO error and get back to enjoying hassle-free dishwashing. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more home repair hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and remember, you've got this.